Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can start making money by typing and by listening to audios. Don't worry, this method is not fake like other YouTubers are telling you just to write articles and be a freelancer, but I actually found two websites that really pay you money for writing transcriptions to a video they sent you. So they will send you a video and you will have to transcribe it into text, because many people, what they do is they do videos on YouTube and then they upload the video on written form to their blog. Yes, you can also be paid $1 per minute by captioning videos, yes, by writing subtitles, and also what you could do is you could do foreign subtitles to the video, which costs a lot more, and you will be making more money for that. Yes, so this is one page, and the other page is more aiming for content and article writing services, as it's saying, and that page is called Text Broker. Yes, now before I get into explaining how to actually make and how to actually apply for these sites and start earning some money, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified always when I release a new video. Yes, and make sure to stay until the end so that you fully know how to sign up to this website, which is not that difficult, and obviously start making some good money. Yes, so without a further ado guys, let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video. As I mentioned, you are going to make money, yes, as a freelancer by transcribing videos. Yes, you could transcribe videos, you could put captions in the videos, you could add foreign subtitles, and also what you could do is you could write articles. You could go here to I write content and obviously write content for other people. Yes, now this is more difficult than rev.com, so that's why I put it first. In case you didn't apply for rev.com, you can write articles for other people. Now, so let's actually take into consideration how much money or how much earnings you could be making by doing articles with Text Broker. Yes, now in a second I'm going to tell you how much. Well, it says in rev. It actually says on rev.com how much you could be making, like $1 per minute by doing transcriptions. By captions you could do also $1 per minute, and in foreign subtitles $3 to $7 per minute. Now with Text Broker is different. It depends on the quality of the writer you are. Yes, so let's do the math. Let's go first with the best scenario possible. Yes, let's say that you are the best writer on planet Earth. Well, I'm just over exaggerating, but let's say you are an outstanding writer, you make good quality content, and you have little to none grammatical errors. Let's say that you write good English, and obviously that's your quality score. It's up to 5 stars. Yes, now let's go to, for example, let's say that you write $1,000 article. Yes, so for every article you will be making $50. So it makes sense. It's 50 cents per word. 50 cents for 1,000 is obviously $50. Yes, so 50 cents multiplied by 1,000, it's $50. So for every 1,000 word article you will be making $50. Now let's say that you write in 8 hours of work, you write 3 to 5 articles. Let's say with all the hustle you write 5 articles, so that's 50 multiplied by 5, so that's $250 every day. Yes, let's say that you work on only to Mondays or Mondays through Fridays, you don't work on weekends, so that is every week you'll be making $1,250. But the month has 4 weeks. So every month you'll be making $5,000 extra. Or you could obviously jump up the number by creating articles with much more words. Now, this is a worst case scenario if you're an outstanding writer and you're always making 1,000-word article. Now, let's say that you every day make, obviously you won't be making always a 1,000-word article. You could be making a 5,000-word article. You could be making a 12,000-word article, and for a 12,000-word article, you will be paid $600. Yes, so you could be making easily 10K a month with this method if you are, let's say, a good writer. Now, let's go to the worst case scenario. Yes, we are going obviously to go to the we're going to go through all the scenarios, but let's say that you're the worst writer, you have a lot of grammatical errors, and let's say that you write 1,000-word articles. Let's say now I from experience know that in an hour I could write 2 to 1,000-word article, because I had a blog, I wrote content for that blog. Now I don't do it anymore because obviously I'm focusing on YouTube, and it's very boring write articles, so I always outsource the majority of my content when I wrote for that blog. But let's say that you could write 2,000-word article. If you're like a fast writer, you could do it. So let's say that in a day you're writing more than 8 articles. Yes, this is if you're a bad writer and you are not reviewing your spelling mistakes. You're doing $7 for every word article. So 7 multiplied by 8 is $56 every day. 56 by 5 days, because you work for Monday through you work from Mondays to Fridays. That is $280 every week. Yes. Now multiplied by the days, by the weeks of the month, $1,000 and $120. Yes, that's not much compared to what you can make if you're an outstanding writer, but obviously you have to take into consideration that you could write articles of up to 10,000 words or even 2,000, or you obviously will vary the amount of words you write on every article. So this number, you could jump it up if you're in the worst case scenario, and if you're a bad writer who has not so much mistakes, who has a lot of mistakes, I mean grammatically, you could be making from $4,000 to $5,000 every month. Yes. Now, for me, that I'm not an American, do not live in the United States, that amount of money is a lot here on Argentina. For example, I can relate, for example, to someone who lives in India or other country that obviously relates that this amount of money is a lot. Yes, maybe for an English speaker, $5,000 is not that much, but compared to obviously someone who lives in South America or even in Asia, this is a lot of money. Yes. Now, let's go back to Rev.com. Yes. So how do you actually apply? And obviously, well, now I'm going to go back to TextBroker to teach you how to apply. Let's go back to Rev Content, and I'm going to teach you how to apply for Rev Content. Yes. For Rev.com. You will have to go to Rev.com. You will have to go down below and click on freelancers. Yes. Then you will have to here complete your username, your details, and position. Just choose if you're going to do subtitles or you're going to transcribe videos, and then go to next. And here you will have to apply for, they will test your grammatical errors or your grammatical level. so that they know that they are hiring someone who knows English actually. So let me complete this and I'm going to be back. Okay, so I completed the grammar test. Now it actually, they ask you for, well, do a transcriptionist test. This is where you, well, they teach you how to transcribe. This is the transcription style that you should adopt, and then you click transcribe, and they will give you a sample that you should test. Yes, so this is just for you to know how to obviously apply. And then once first obviously copy the style, adopt the style that they obviously tell you to use, and then do the test and then submit it, and then they will tell you if you apply or not. Now, to apply, for applying to TextBroker, you will have to go to here where it says I write content, and you will have to click here on free author registration, and you will say that you are an author to earn money writing content. Then click on sign me up as an author, and then obviously you will have to do this test. You will have to put your expertise on what niche you write content about, create a login information, and then you will become an author. Yes, so guys, this was all for this video. Hope you find value on this video, and if you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below. Like this video, and I will be seeing you till next video. Remember to watch all of my content.